Hey guys, welcome to my channel ArtTube. I'm Ritu and in today's video I'll show you how to draw a realistic eye using graphite pencils. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B and 8B pencil along with a charcoal pencil, some erasers, some blending tools. I'm making a circle with 2B pencil. Try to draw a circle freehand, but if you are finding it really hard, then you can trace something circular. Now I'm making a smaller circle like this. This will be the eyeball and here will be the pupil. Now I'm dragging a line from the center and I am drawing a line at intersecting point and I am forming a basic shape of an eye. And here I am just using the shape of the top eyelid as a guide to follow along and making socket line. Now I am erasing the guidelines. Now I am making waterline and I am giving some details. Now I am adding shadings. And with an earbud, I am smudging it like this. Now I'm using 3B pencil and adding some details and wrinkles. and मैं बहुत कम प्रेशर का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. अगर आप ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालते हो तो पेपर पे डेंट पड़ जाएगा. इस तरीके से आई एम गिविंग शेडिंग्स. Now with a brush I am blending it out. And again I am using a pencil and giving some strokes like this. And now with the paper stump I am blending the outlines like this. And here I am removing the extra lines with a pencil eraser. एंड हमें यही प्रोसेस रिपीट करना है और लेयर बाय लेयर डिटेल्स डालना है. एंड नाउ आई एम मेकिंग eyelashes with a 4B pencil. And with the same 4B pencil I am adding some more shadings like this, and I am also making some details on eyeball. And इससे भी मैं स्मच कर ले रही हूँ पेपर स्टम्प से. Here I am adding some wrinkles and इस तरीके से लाइन को स्मच कर देना है ताकि ये ज़्यादा क्रिस्प ना लगे. And here I am using dark tone to show depth for the crease. And now with a charcoal pencil I am making upper eyelashes. And here I am making lower lashes. And here I'm making reflection of eyelashes, and now I'm making upper lash line. And with the charcoal pencil I'm making the pupil and adding some details like this. And with a kneaded eraser I'm giving some highlights, and again I'm blending it with a Q-tip. And here I'm using a pencil eraser and making highlights again. And here I'm adding the darkest tone with a charcoal pencil for the crease. And I'm adding some more eyelashes in betweens. And now I'm giving some highlights with an eraser pencil. And I'm giving some details in the inner corner of the eye. Links of all the materials are given in the description box. And now I'm adding some highlights with a white pen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did then like, subscribe and share. Video kaisa laga to let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.